Imagine this. You've got just $100 in your hand today. Most people would waste it on fast food, subscriptions, or things that lose value instantly. But what if I told you that $100, if placed into the right cryptocurrencies, could be worth thousands in the next bull run? Yes, I'm talking about turning pocket money into potentially life-changing gains. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what coins I'd buy, how I'd split the money, and why this strategy could give you the maximum upside with the least risk possible. Let's dive straight into it. If I only had $100 to start in crypto today, I'd treat every dollar like gold. Because with such a small amount, you need to be strategic, not reckless. The goal here is balance, some safety, some growth, and a little bit of moonshot potential. So let's start with the foundation. I would put $40 of that $100 into Bitcoin. Why? Because Bitcoin is the king, the digital gold, the one asset institutions, governments, and billionaires are stacking. It may not give you 100 times returns anymore, but it gives your portfolio stability and acts like the backbone of your investment. Next, I'd put $25 into Ethereum. ETH isn't just a coin, it's the backbone of decentralized finance, NFTs, Web3, and even AI-related projects that are being built on its ecosystem. With Ethereum 2.0 upgrades, scalability improvements, and institutional adoption, ETH is set to explode in the long run. Now, with the next $20, I'd take a calculated bet on a strong altcoin. And right now, my pick would be Solana. It has one of the fastest-growing ecosystems, cheap fees, massive developer activity, and is attracting serious money from both retail and institutions. Solana has proven it can survive bear markets and come back stronger, making it a prime growth play. That leaves us with $10, and this is where it gets exciting. With that $10, I'd place a moonshot bet, a small-cap gem that could 50 times or even 100 times in the next cycle. This could be something like a promising AI-related coin, a gaming crypto, or a Layer 2 scaling solution with real adoption potential. Remember, this is the lottery ticket portion of the portfolio, where even if it fails, you've only lost $10, but if it hits, it could completely change your portfolio's size. Now, let's talk strategy. With just $100, you don't want to be constantly buying and selling. The fees will eat you alive. So the best move is to dollar-cost average. Instead of dropping the full $100 today, I'd spread it over 4 weeks, investing $25 each week. That way, if the market dips, you're buying lower. And if it pumps, you've still got exposure. Another pro tip, don't just buy and forget. Track your portfolio, watch news around your chosen coins, and be willing to adjust if one project starts losing traction. And the mindset here is key. $100 is not going to make you a millionaire overnight. But $100 invested wisely, consistently, and with patience can grow into thousands over time, especially if you keep adding to it month after month. The biggest mistake beginners make is chasing hype coins or going all in on a risky meme token hoping for a quick 100 times. Sure, some people get lucky, but most get wrecked. Instead, think long-term. Imagine if you had put $100 into Bitcoin 10 years ago, or $100 into Ethereum in 2016, or even $100 into Solana when it was under $1. Those tiny bets would now be worth life-changing money. That's the mindset you need to adopt today. You're planting seeds, not scratching lottery tickets. To recap, $40 Bitcoin for safety, $25 Ethereum for long-term growth, $20 Solana as a strong altcoin bet, and $10 into a high-risk, high-reward moonshot. Dollar cost average your entries. Hold through volatility. And don't panic when markets dip. That's how small money grows into big money in crypto. And here's the thing. If you can start with $100, you can do the same with $200, $500, or $1,000 over time. The key is not how much you start with, but how consistently you build your portfolio and how disciplined you remain when emotions run high. If you're serious about wealth in crypto, this $100 strategy is your first step into the game.